water some plants.
Yeah, water some plants.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go first.
This is a good thing to do at the summertime.
Every day. Okay, Pete, what are you gonna say?
Oh, you just have to
Water.
water your plants every day.
Why? Because it will die.
Yeah, it will die if you don't water it.
Okay.
Are you ready for the cannibal? Oh my God!
Not to spend any water.
What? Make sure not to waste.
Waste any water.
It's coming
Okay.
on my head.
Okay, there are more plants up here. Alright, so here are the other plants that we're going to water.
Oh my God!
And also that tree, I think.
Okay. Oh my God!
I want to water the tree.
Yeah, me too.
Mahina lang yung water, ha?
It's literally so long. It goes down there all the way up here.
Can I see?
Sure.
No way.
Yes, way. How did the inventors make this thing? Wait, what?
Nasa video mo si
Oh my God! I'm not a plant! I'm not a plant, I just took a bath!
Hi!
Hi!
Oh, baka madalas ka.
Hi! Hi there! So my family just watered me up. My mom did it. She did it on my face too. As
Yeah.
you guys see.
Yeah.
Then she just did it on my whole entire body, even my outfit.
Yeah. So, are you done watering the plants?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even my mom just water my slippers to even feet.
Yeah.
Do you want to water me again? Fire in the hole! I'm shaking!
Fire in the hole, naliligo.
Fire in the hole! Ah! Oh my God! Stop! Stop firing me!
Umarap kayo.
Oh, harap daw kayo, sabi ni Daddy.
Say hi.
Say hi! Say hi! Oh, say hi first.
Guys!
Say hi!
Hey guys!
Say hi!
Say hi muna.
Here!
I'm so windy and
Here, here.
Here!
Hey guys!
Say hi!
Today, I got fire in the hole! I didn't say fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole.
So today I got fired again. I mean, fire in the hole! Yeah, and then I'm using some soap. So I get winding. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, it's so cold. That's the part of it though, guys.
Bye.
Bye.